Hello guys, welcome to the learning world of robotics with Robonence. Today we are making a solar power light. That is a light which will start glowing whenever you place our solar power cell in sunlight. That is, it is a circuit which will operate with the help of sunlight. So what are the components we require is, first thing we require this solar panel. Guys, make sure one thing, this solar panel is also having positive and negative ends, and this is already mentioned on this solar panel. This plus sign denotes positive, whereas this minus sign denotes negative. To make our connections, we are using a crocodile plug. And last, we are using one LED. As you all know, LED is a light emitting diode. It will start glowing whenever the electricity passes through it. Again, we have to remember this longer leg is a positive leg and this shorter leg is a negative leg. So guys, let's start making our circuit. Now, what we have to do is, first we will connect the positive part of this solar panel. It is mentioned the plus sign. So we will connect the positive part of the solar panel with the help of a crocodile connector to the positive end of the LED. Guys, make sure this longer leg of the LED is positive. Now, we have to connect the shorter leg, that is negative end of the LED, with the help of a crocodile plug to the negative end of the solar panel. So guys, let's revise the circuit. The positive end of the solar panel will get connected to the positive end of the LED with the help of a crocodile plug, whereas the negative end of the solar panel will get connected to the negative part of the LED with the help of a crocodile plug. Now, whenever I present this solar panel in front of a light, it will start glowing. That is, whenever I place this solar panel in front of light, this LED automatically glows. So this solar panel will generate electricity. Let's try it. So guys, I bring this solar panel near the light. You can observe that this LED will start glowing. See, I hope you are able to see the LED starts glowing whenever we are moving the solar panel near the light. I hope guys you enjoyed this solar powered light. For more interesting projects like this, you can subscribe us on our YouTube channel, that is Robonence.Innovate. Even you can follow us on Instagram as Robonence Innovate. We are making millions of projects which will help you in learning the daily life skills. So keep watching us. Thank you.